Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and in today's video I'm going to take you along with me for a morning of homemaking. I'm also going to be talking about what I love about being a homemaker. So first thing in the morning after I've had my coffee and had a few minutes to wake up, I like to make breakfast. I have several children that love to eat eggs, so this morning I'm just going to be frying up a few eggs for the kids that want them. I don't cook every single morning, but they do like eggs, so I do make them often. And this is one of the things that I do love about homemaking, is that I have the ability to cook from scratch. I don't always cook everything from scratch, but being a homemaker has allowed me to learn how to cook. When I first got married, I didn't have a clue about cooking, and it's been something that I have had to practice over the last 13 years of marriage. And I feel like I've finally gotten the hang of it. There's still things that I'm learning, but it's definitely one of those things that I do enjoy doing for the most part when I'm not dealing with morning sickness. And thankfully I have now come out of that first trimester all day sickness, so I'm able to get a lot more done and be a lot more productive. Now that the kids have their breakfast, I'm going to go ahead and get started on my breakfast. I'm making chorizo and eggs. I have been having crazy cravings for spicy things with this pregnancy, which is so funny because in my last two pregnancies, I could not eat spicy food at all. So, yeah, I normally love spicy food. My family is all originally from Louisiana, so it's kind of in my blood. And this baby has been wanting everything spicy. So I'm just going to fry up some chorizo for myself. Once I get that good and brown, I'm going to add some eggs and scramble them, and that's going to be my yummy breakfast. So not only have I enjoyed getting to learn how to cook, I also love that I'm home and I'm able to develop cleaning and cooking routines. And as you can see, now that my children are older, they do help out. Here is my oldest son unloading the dishwasher. We were behind with our dishes last night, so I had him unload the dishwasher, and then I refilled it and had to hand wash what was left. But I do really enjoy that I have cleaning routines and that I'm able to stick to them most of the time when I'm not dealing with morning sickness and such. I am playing catch up these days. But I do dusting on certain days. I do the windows and the mirrors and the glass on certain days, and the vacuuming on certain days, and stuff like that. Of course, these daily chores, the laundry, the dishes, the sweeping, all of that gets done, and the kids and I all work together, and my husband as well when he's at home, to get these daily chores done. And that is something else that I do enjoy about homemaking. Yes, we are home and we are able to do these things that some people might find mundane, but I really do enjoy them for the most part. Now sometimes, yes, I do get tired of doing chores, as everybody does, but it's something that helps our home run smoothly, and it It's so nice to be able to live in a clean and functional space, and I really do like that I get to spend a lot of my days organizing things and making my home run smoothly and efficiently. Now that I have my kitchen all cleaned up, I'm going to light a candle. This is a yummy coconut smelling candle just to help with the atmosphere in the home. I love lighting candles. It gives the home a lovely scent and just a lovely ambiance. And now I want to talk about something else that I love about homemaking, and that is that I have the ability to homeschool my children. I didn't start out thinking I was going to homeschool, but it was kind of just one of those things that once I realized that I was not ready to send my 2-year-old to preschool, I fell into. I started researching, and definitely being able to be at home with my kids as a homemaker makes it a lot easier for me to also be a homeschooler. And lastly, while I'm out on our little patio garden, which my husband actually is the one who takes care of, but I do go out and pick herbs and flowers, I want to talk about one of the other reasons that I love homemaking, and that is that I get to make my husband happy because I'm home, I'm available, we can work together as a team. And, I have nothing against working women. I come from a long line of women who worked outside the home, so that's not what this is about. But my husband and I do enjoy our more traditional roles. And I kind of wanted to go into that I like to do these things at home. He works outside the home, he makes the money. I'm at home with the kids, and when he comes home, he helps me in the home. And I also work part-time businesses online to bring in extra income. So we balance each other out really well, and we're both able to do things that we want to do as well as things that we enjoy. So I hope that you enjoyed this morning of homemaking with me. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!